The suit against ASU by federal government has been adjourned till Friday. Governor Charles Soludo of Anambra State has condemned the attack on Senator Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah by gunmen in Njikoka local government area of Anambra State. The gunmen opened fire on the convoy of the lawmaker representing Anambra South Senatorial District on Sunday, September 11, 2022, killing some of his aides. Ubah narrowly escaped from the scene as many believe the attack might be an assassination attempt on the lawmaker. The Ondo State Governor, who is also the chairman of the Southern Governors Forum, has insisted that the North cannot retain power after spending 8 years in office. Governor Oluwarotimi Akeredolu begged Nigerian Christians to look beyond religion and focus on the competence of the presidential candidate ahead of the 2023 presidential election. Nollywood actor cum politician Kenneth Okonkwo has said that the All Progressive Congress has multiplied the failure of the People's Democratic Party since they took over governance. The Imo State government and the state chapter of the PDP have clashed over the visit of the President Buhari to the state on Tuesday. Buhari, during his visit, will inaugurate the rebuilt State House of Assembly complex, the first phase of the Owerri-Okigwe Road and the Owerri-Olu Road, according to an update given by the State's Commissioner for Information and Strategy, Declan Emelumba. PDP, in a statement on Monday issued by its spokesperson Collins Opurozo, alerts that the state governor Hope Uzodinma was luring Buhari to the state to inaugurate uncompleted projects. The group, Coalition Movement for Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has examined the achievements of frontline presidential candidates for the 2023 presidential election and concluded that with their candidates' track record, Bola Tinubu deserves to become Nigeria's next president. The group said the APC flag bearer outclassed other candidates including Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi of the PDP and Labour Party respectively in terms of achievements in political offices that they previously held. Also, the interim coordinator of Tinubu ambassadors, Chief Jamiu Ekungba, has said that the group has begun a door-to-door campaign for the APC presidential candidate. The governor of Gombe State, Muhammadu Yahaya, has stated that the PDP's presidential candidate, Atiku Abubakar, has no chance of winning in the Northeast. Do you agree that Tinubu deserves to become Nigeria's next president?